Hey y'all, it's me, Rickey Hegwood. Here we are at Camelot Way. Welcome to the job site. Let's go up and go up. Welcome to my world. We got copper gutters. We're putting on highland slate shingles. Very beautiful shingle. Yep, we got old copper valleys. What we got? Highland slate by certainteed. We got the boys up there. What's up, guys? The super crew. Ron, it's a nice highland slate by certainteed. Out here making some money. It's a little steep right there. What's up, guys, fellas? Andy, Jimmy, Phil, Hayden, and Ronnie, and me, Tricky Rick. This is the area I'm working on. Finishing up this job today. Here's my gun. I got my bag. Got my old boss stitch. Oh yeah, she gets down. But yeah, these highland slate. So I'm using two step flashings, ran out of the large step flashing. But here's my one red line there. And then I'm using that tab right there, which is 4.5 inches on the highland slate. So I got this line running all the way up to this one here, so it'll meet in here. But this is what we've got, folks. This is the job for today. She's a beast.
Are you guys talking about NATO's?
We've got the boys working on the grotto. Hey, Danny! Danny! Yo! We got Danny down there working on the pool. Our moment in the sun. Highland slate, it's a beautiful shingle. Wow, it looks like tile. Until next time, y'all, keeping it real. Tricky Ricky, over and out.